Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like a scarecrow in Dress to Impress. If you want to win the autumn farm or horror theme in DTI, this is the ultimate guide on how you can dress like a scarecrow. So I'm going to break down the essential pieces to bring your cornfield guardian to life. Let's just get started. So first, here I'm using the masculine body, and these are the hair that I use, all in masculine hair category. You can just choose these three here and color it orange like this. I'm using this hex code, and let's just make the outfits. So first, you can just go to the men section. I'm going to put on this top first, so to glitch into number 2 and use the plate patterns that you want. You can go with this one, or you can also go, I'm going to just use this one in here, change the material into matte and put on this items in here. You can go with this default color or change it to the color that you prefer. I'm going to use a dark one in here. Now put on the hat. So for the hat, I'm going to use patterns. I'm going to use for the hair, this one's right here. Second one also. For the flower, just go with red and other details in black color. Now you can just go put on some other items. So for the hat, I'm going to combine it with another one with this cowboy hat in here. Use the same pattern. And for the second one in red color. Now grab the pumpkin and I'm going to toggle it into side. And for the shoe, I'm going to use these boots from the code items. Put in here, and I'm going to change the color into orange. You can go with this default material or change it into matte like I do here. So this will be the final look. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.